Hey there, fellow vegans. It's Paul from Vegans Alive. It is Saturday, and I just left the bike shop where I work on bikes to get lunch. I went over to Del Taco, and I've already made a video about the Beyond Tacos, but I'm going to show you a little hack that I came up with to make these even better. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so what you want to do is get the little cilantro lime rice from Del Taco, which happens to be vegan, of course. You take that and you put it in your taco. Put some of the rice right in the taco there. Got some in there already. And then tapatio. Now you got yourself a hacked taco with rice. Avocado. Oh yeah, that was great. Hope you like these little videos I'm making. Haven't been cooking very many recipes lately. Anything new, but trying to show you guys that you can get outside, you can find vegan food on the fly, and you can make it good and you can make it your own. And as usual, it's always about something that tastes great. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Tacos!